Kung consistent kang bumabalik sa vision mo, itong makukuha mo in return. Hindi lang resulta, kundi freedom at fulfillment. Alam mo, madaling maligaw sa araw-araw. Stress sa trabaho, deadlines, bills, lahat yan parang humihila sa'yo pabalik sa survival mode. Pero may power ang vision. Kapag consistent kang bumabalik dito, ibang nagiging drive mo. Hindi lang checklist, hindi lang survival, kundi creation. Vision is your North Star. Kahit anong mangyari sa vehicle mo. Nagbago ang career, nagkaroon ng failure, may nangyaring hindi mo inaasahan. When you are aligned with your vision, you will always find another way. And here's the secret. Kung consistent ka bumabalik sa vision, makukuha mo hindi lang resulta. Makukuha mo freedom, joy, fulfillment. Kasi vision is not about the car you drive. It's about the destination of your life. So balikan mo lagi, ano ba talaga ang vision mo? And then, keep driving towards it consistently. Ito si Prof. Bong. This is Vision.